And so we're on a new adventure, a weekend adventure, which we want to share with you. Very interesting destination. And we reached it. We left Nieu-Bethesda very early this morning, and you can see Rupi is with us. And let me turn it around. It says our route 23 kilometers, and I'm sure you can see there on the board Nieu-Bethesda. So we're heading to Nieu-Bethesda as there's some special event this weekend. I keep on calling it stoop stories, but it's not stoop stories, it's stoop tastings. And stoop tastings is basically wine tasting weekend that they're presenting at Nieu-Bethesda and Grafrenet, but we chose to just come to Nieu-Bethesda. And the reason I want to tell you about this is because I've got a history of Nieu-Bethesda that started almost 30 years ago, which I'll tell you a little bit more over this weekend.